was thinking, when people are learning languages, most likely they wouldn't know the bad words, they wouldn't know the curse words. So I would just say, you know what? I should start the first edition of this Kreyòl with Mimi by teaching you guys the curse words. And if you hear a Haitian call you Sanwont, if a Haitian comes and say, oh my God, Tifia Sanwont, like, you have no shame, tell them to meet you outside, because that word, personally, I've been traumatized by that word. In 2030, we're gonna go to Haiti. I don't know, I might be the Lulu, but I made the announcement on TikTok and Instagram. I'm gonna insert it in the end of the video. But Haiti is gonna be open for tourism. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but I believe in us. So I'm like, if we're gonna go to Haiti, doesn't that mean that you also need to learn Creole? I want to teach the Haitian American crowd, and I also want to teach people with good intention that want to interact with the Haitian community. I also want to say that when you say them in Creole, like the type of way that they have is like, I'm not even able to translate them really in English, but I'm gonna try my best. Because if somebody say get maman, they really mean go suck your mother. And I don't know how kind is that, but okay, whatever. Let me tell you some more words. And get marenn, it's kind of like the same equivalent of like get maman, but like go suck your godmother. Like I was saying, you guys, if somebody says Sanwont, if it's a Sanwont comme ça, this girl is she has no shame. But you know, in English you would be like, oh, she has no shame. Okay, she has no shame. But in Creole, I don't know, it's just like that's a little razzle dazzle, you feel me? Like, you Sanwont, like why did you text him 5 times when he did not reply back to you? You Sanwont comme ça. Ou vraiment Sanwont. That means, baby, I don't know, I would just go lay down on the couch and do nothing for the rest of the day. Some words that Haitian parents like to use, let me tell you. If a Haitian parent call their kid a vagabond, like they use it more for men, for guys. So they will be like, ah, son vagabond lié. C'est yon vagabond lié, vagabond. That means that you probably started to pierce your ears, or you have 2 holes now. You started with 1, now you have 2 holes. And then you started to lock your hair or something like that. So, you know, there's degree to it. And then it's kind of like a hoodlum. Like you're starting to do hoodlum behavior. And the next thing you're going to know, you know, after you pierce your ears, you pierce your nose, you're going to start female, like you're going to start to smoke. Or in Haiti, it's like you start having multiple girlfriends, you start doing hoodlum stuff. So that's a vagabond. But if somebody says ça son vagabond sale, the sale means dirty. So then that little sale word, it adds a little bit of razzle dazzle, like son vagabond sale. You see? Razzle dazzle. Another word that you probably have heard it. It's Soumoun. Ooh, manze Soumoun. If somebody say that somebody is Soumoun, that means you kind of too friendly for your own good. Like, you know, friendly is good, but then that if somebody is Soumoun, Sou means like on people, like if I were to translate it like word by word. But it just means that you are overly friendly. Like, you know, a guy in the office that's like, you know, whenever girls come around and then he always want to like talk to them, like not even out of turn, but just try to like impress everybody. Like he always want to talk to everybody. Like he talked to Sarah, Melissa, Dina, and you're like, I don't like Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre is too Soumoun. Like he's too much. He's too Soumoun for me. I don't like him. So he has no loyalty. He just goes around and be too friendly with people. I don't know if you have heard it, but like, oh, mom's a landjèz comme ça. Eh, Tifia landjèz. Oh my God. Landjèz means you like to gossip, but like, you like tell even like half truths and stuff like that. Not only you like to gossip, but you also talk too much. Like this person is landjèz. Like they make up stuff, they talk too much, and they're all about the gossip. They know all the latest gossip in town. Ooh, if somebody call you Kreten, that means you're dumb as a rock. That means this guy is very, very dumb. Like he cannot grasp anything. You explain something to him multiple times and he still doesn't get it. Another one, Lanmerde. Ah, mon cher, Lanmerde, tande. And Haitians like to say tande when they say, like when they curse. I don't know what it is. honestly, it just means that like you hear me, like, but they say Lanmerde, which means that screw you, screw you. Or they would say vous entendez. Vous en means piss off. Vous en, oh mon cher, vous entendez? Piss off, fuck off, like whatever, leave me alone. So there's a little word in Creole, which is foot. It doesn't mean foot like, you know, the your foot. It's the, and you also don't press it as hard as like a foot, you know, in English you say foot. It's like foot. So then a Haitian would add it, and like it adds a little razzle dazzle to stuff. Like you say, ba foot vle bagay sa. Like I don't want it, but you see, I don't fucking want it. You say it's like fucking. So it's like very versatile. And so you can use it with like, pa foot gade, don't look at me. You see, pa gade is good. Don't look at me. Pa foot gade, don't fucking or something. Like don't, would I say don't fucking look at me. Don't fucking, you know, like it's like a little, it's like the F bomb. It really is the F bomb. So you just insert it wherever. It's versatile. If you want to tell somebody to shut the fuck up in Kreyòl, you say pejolo, feme beku. Beck is like, you know, the bird that has like a beak, like in English. But then when you say, you know, you're using that animal body part to talk to somebody, so it's like feme beku, like shut up, shut the fuck up. Feme jolu. Oh, jol. You see how Beck is like there? Jol is in hell. So you're like, feme beku tifi. Oh, they feme jolu. Oh my god. Oh, that one is worse. Another word is like more tame, but you know, you can use it to tell somebody like mind their business. And somebody is talking, why pukis on a business fam? Why are you in my business? Sa pa gadeo, mba kone pukis on parler kon sa, sa pa gadeo. That means mind your business. Stay out of my business. Sa pa gadeo, sa pa business po, sa pa gadeo. And then this word, you guys, this word, you see, I'm going from bad to worse. Well, I don't know. If somebody call you a Chawony, baby girl, tell them to meet you outside because it's going down. Chawony, Chawony. I don't know, like, it doesn't, yeah, like you can still use that in front of people. It's not like a curse word like fuck, like where you have to, you know, mute the mic or something. But it's more so like, it's like a decomposed body. So you stink, like, Monze Santi Chawony. Oh, I never use that to say anything good about anybody, like Monze. But Monze Santi Chawony, Santi Chawony. Oh, they smell bad. Monze Santi Chawony. There's a word that my dad liked to use. I don't ever hear it be used in the US. But it's interesting because like he would be like, oh, this man is a junkie. Mind you, junk is like, you guys know what a junk, you know, a junk is. But he would say that junkie to him is like crackhead. I don't know. It sounds like an English word to me, but I never hear anybody use it in the US. So, but me say son junkie. That means if you're a junkie, you're like a crackhead. You're a crackhead. Son junkie. And a word that is not too bad. Salopri. Salopri is kind of like, somebody say, oh, so salopri. That means that person is like a bad person. Like you can't trust them. Like, they can call something a salopri too. Salopri. This is like I was asking you to give me my possession back, but because I didn't want to give it to you, I'm like, me salopri. That means you're stupid shit. Like, yeah, this is here's your stupid whatever, stupid shit. Demaskew. Demaskew devam la, tande? Mpa palav aujourd'hui. Demaskew devam. Demaskew means get lost. Demaskew devam, that means get lost. Demaskew la. Demaskew la. Get lost. So to devam, get away from me. Demaskew la. If somebody say, oh, pied Santi, pied mayas, that doesn't really mean that your foot stink for real, but it means that your foot stink like literally, but they don't have your feet don't have to stink for somebody to call you a pied mayas. But if they call you a pied mayas, then that means your feet stink. And that's the beauty of it. You can just say it. Mrs. on pied mayas, like, you know, you can use it to describe somebody, but you can also use it to insult somebody. One more word, you guys. Okay. So if somebody call you Sanwont, that's one thing. They call you frèt. Frèt, let me tell you what frèt means. Frèt, like just think about a dog. I mean, different cultures see those animals differently, but like the dog has the same way like people say a bitch is like a female dog, okay? Frèt, you know how the nose of the dog is cold, so then they like you a frèt, like you have no shame. If somebody say you are Sanwont, sans sentiment, frèt, tell them to meet you outside because it's going down. You're gonna fight them. I'm telling you, those are fighting words. Because I remember I was telling my friend that, like, when I went to school, it was a strict school. And then that lady, the supervisor, I don't know a superintendent or whatever they call them, she called me a Sanwont, you guys. I did not move for like 2 minutes. That's how deep it hurt. Maybe it just me because I'm like, you cannot attack me like that. But I was pretty distraught. Okay. So yes, I gave you a bunch of words. I mean, when you go to Haiti in 2030, maybe you'll use them, or if somebody, use them with you, you might not have enough Creole. But no, if you watch my channel, you should have enough Creole to go there with them and be like, you call me a someone? What about you? You are someone sans sentiment. You a frèt. Don't talk to me like that. Papa la comme ça. You can take it there. That's why I'm opening the channel. So you're gonna know the stuff that you need to know to go out there and Haiti with me in 2030, okay? Mark your calendar. Period. Thanks for watching, and please give me a like. I'm trying to grow this channel. Share this video with people that are interested in learning Creole. As I said, people with good intention that want to learn more about the Haitian culture. I'm here for you guys, and then I'll insert the video on my proposal for us to go to Haiti in 2030. Are you in? Do you want to join the challenge? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hey, listen, did you know that we're going to Haiti in 2030? The reason why I'm saying that is because I am going to teach you Creole. So I'm going to teach you enough Creole so then by the time it's like 2030, you can be ready to go to Haiti.